Hey guys, back to the doghouse. We haven't been doing much on the Buick lately. I don't know why, I guess just because. We've been coming up with little game plans and doing a lot of talking, but what we decided to do was work on the brakes. See, we don't have any. So what we started doing yesterday was taking the master cylinder off. Master cylinder being up here. Hey Keith. What you're looking at here is the master cylinder from underneath. This here's my trouble light stuck in your. So anyway, I'm taking the master cylinder off because I got to rebuild it. And I was having trouble getting off. I thought these bolts stripped. You see in here, there's like a little keyway. And that's exactly how these here go on. The bolt goes in. There's a key at the back. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Anyway, it goes in here. The head of the bolt goes in here and this slides down. But anyway, I'm just in the process of taking this off now. We're going to rebuild it, and then we're going to take the wheel cylinders off, see what size they are, and then get a rebuild kit for that. But anyway, stick around and we'll tear something apart and see what happens. So we got the master cylinder off. It wasn't as easy as I anticipated. This part here, that's screwed onto the brake pedal arm. And I couldn't show you that because it was way up inside and it's just a real pain. But anyway, we finally got this off here. This was a pain. We had to throw the heat to this here and force it off. But we're going to take the rest of her apart and rebuild her. So here you can see there's a little snap ring we got to get out. So don't know how we're going to do that. We'll try. So Keith said he's going to give her a shot with the crooked pliers here.
Crooked pliers.
Yeah. It's not working very good, is it? Okay, normally I wouldn't video this here. It's just a simple brake job, but I just want to show you with the condition of these brakes, brake cylinders, so forth. I don't think they've ever been touched. I was very surprised I got the lines off the back. They came off reasonably easy. So now we've got to get the rest of this crap off. So Keith's going to go ahead and clean all that crap up so it doesn't end up wearing it.
Like so.
Then pray down.
Like so.
Yeah.
Like so.
Just like that. There's not too dry.
No.
It's pretty crazy.
This is dry though.
Yeah.
Have to get the ratchet from the other side.
Just pull the end caps off.
Yeah.
That's not too bad, eh?
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
A little dry.
Can't understand why I didn't have any brakes.
Oh.
Is that the good side or the bad side?
Good side.
Oh my God. Yeah, we can save them.
Nope.
Yeah, Yeah, so anyway, I just wanted to show you the what condition our condition was in. I just hope I get new cylinders. Well, matching cylinders. Because like a cylinder is a cylinder. All I have to do is find one that fits. The main thing is this hole here. To fit inside here. And I don't think I'll be able to rebuild those. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick video of what we're up against, changing these brakes and rebuilding everything. I don't think we're going to rebuild these here. We'll end up replacing them. And I hope I can find shoes this size here and rebuild that master cylinder or find another master cylinder to work. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around and hope you were entertained. Bye now.
Bye now.